Precision is the value that the customer is looking for. Precision and consistency in precision. That was true when the company was just one machine in a garage, and it still is today. A lot of our customers produce their parts with Swiss machines, tolerances in the tens of thousands of inches. You almost need a magnifier to actually see a feature that has been put on a part because the tools are so small. So we provide bars that are way below 1/8 of an inch. That is the material that they use before cutting it. Because our parts are so precise and so consistent, reducing the amount of difficulties producing a part, we called it skilled material because the material itself is actually providing some skills that you don't have to look in employees. They can sometimes use more machines per operator, or they can use people with less skills that don't have to be this master troubleshooter that can solve any issue. So small investment in better precise bars results in huge improvements in operations. Our reputation in the market and the level of tolerances that we achieve that are in many cases much tighter than our competition require that we train our people to the highest level. Most of our machines are not CNC driven where we just input numbers and then put bars at the end and then they come. We have to train people to learn how to feel the material, to feel the bars and to set the machines as they are running. That requires a lot of training, a lot of knowledge, a lot of experience for some of these guys have been working on it for decades. And we make sure that we train and incentivize our operators to learn as much as possible and as many techniques as possible so that we are very flexible. People come to Boston Centerless because they know consistently every day, every hour of the day, and every bar that we ship has been checked multiple times. All those bars obviously are also being measured by the operator. So they measure their own parts, then they're also measured by the quality department. Keeping this perception in the market alive is critically important for us. We have all the tools here, including ultrasonic testing that allows us to actually check our parts so we know that there is no defect internally in the parts to make sure that our customers are protected from the issues that come from the material itself. On the inventory side, there are two aspects where Boston Centerless provides value. We have an extensive amount of the material that we know is most likely to be required by our customers, so that when our customers need it, we have it, we can grind it and send it to them. They don't have to actually try to find the material somewhere else to send it to us and cut into POs. But we also work with customers with Kanban programs or blanket order programs where they place a larger order with us and we actually manage that inventory for them. What's important to our customers is to be able to trace any material that they purchase and for them any parts that they produce back to the original melt. So the mill that has produced the steel, the heat treaters or any of the outside processes that have been applied to that material. Even years after we have shipped material, we can come back and produce all the paperwork. Being an integrated provider allows us to offer much more value to our customers. The material, grinding services, heat treatment, chamfering, laser marking, ultrasonic testing. We can do all that for them in one PO. We're delivering peace of mind, we're delivering consistency that allows customers to cut a lot of non-value add processes from their operations. Providing all those services to customers is a lot of peace of mind for us because we're able to maintain the quality of everything that we do from the purchase order to the delivery to the customer. And that's something that we really enjoy on top of providing a lot more value to customers.